right, all of this is included as well. This awesome sign here. We have that one. This is a comforter, and it also comes with little pillow covers. You got the 2 chairs. Amazing apron here. It's in really good condition. You have the sign here, and it comes with a bunch of letters. That looks good. Got some cups down here. This is just super, super cool. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Got a couple spots here of rash, a few little chips. Tires look amazing. I think they are brand new because you still have the little studs there. Now looking at the paint, you're not going to have a ton of depth to the paint, but it is really pretty. You're going to see little imperfections here and there. Got a chip there. You're going to see some little specks in the paint there. Some little bubbles. Chip there. This is kind of peeling. It's painted on here. So you got the white and the red with the hard line there. Looks good. Got the sleeper up here. Doing the best I can at getting up here, showing you the details there. Overall, that door's in good condition. You're gonna have the little specks there. A couple stains here in the paint. That looks good. Super cool. Have the little flaws there. Overall though, this side looks amazing. Here on the front, got the cover here. You do have your typical stains and some yellowing. Little rock chip there. Little fading in the paint. Little corrosion on that chrome. Headlight looks good. You can see the little weather stripping there is kind of cracking. Little flaws here and there. Little rust there on the bottom. Typical chips. Overall, this thing is in great condition. Little chip there. Typical rash around the wheels, little chips here and there. That light looks good. Got the V-dub glass still. See, the body panels look good. Chips here. Overall, that logo looks good. You can have the chips right there. You do have some bubbling under the paint. You can see that. Overall though, this thing is in amazing condition. All right, checking out the interior. You're gonna have markings and wear on that door panel. Little crack there, some of that's kind of breaking. Handle's still nice and secure. I did roll the window down. A little bit of effort, but it still works pretty good. Typical markings there. You're gonna have the flaws in the jamb. Overall, really nice. These seats look amazing. Steering wheel looks good. All of that plastic's clean. All right, here on this panel, looks like the trim here is broke. Handles on there nice and secure though. Got the manual windows, got carpet here. See some little rust and stuff under there. Looking at that seat, that looks amazing. Kind of zoom in there. Upper section looks good. You do have a crack right there. Overall though, that dash is in great condition. All right, check this out. This is so cool. This folds out, so you have a little table there. Got your drinkware, got the rug. Super cool lamp. These glasses go over here. That seat is in really good condition. All of this is really nice. You have a refrigerator here, got a sink on the top. Of course, this lifts up and you have a sleeping quarters up there. Such a cool piece here. You got storage all over the place. You got them down here, got a pocket right here. Just very, very cool. And checking back here, that looks really good. You have some storage right there. Very, very cool. And then checking out the engine. All of this looks amazing. Very, very clean.